Hey guys, OT Sports Cards here with 13-14 Trilogy Hockey Box Break number 45. Last team was Winnipeg Jets, ended July 24th. Serial number NE1998811579. Show you guys the number on the box. Oops. (1998811579). Okay, good luck to all of you. Hopefully we can pull something big. Maybe a nice Gretzky auto. That'd be nice to have. Okay, first mini. Pack number 1. Okay, don't want to see the hit. Okay, we got a triple jersey of Jonathan Huberdeau, Scott Laughton, and Ryan Spooner. So I'll be random between Panthers, the Flyers, and the Bruins. Emerson Edom, rookie auto at $6.99 for the Ducks. Looks like a puck auto. Not bad, Jordan Eberle, but the left side, this is damaged. So whoever has the Oilers, you can contact Upper Deck and show them the video. It was pulled like this. There's a lip on the right side. Still a nice looking card. Okay, this pack is like super thick. I don't know what's going on there. And this one's really thin. Hopefully there's a hit in here. Yep. Got Jonas Brodin, rookie auto at $6.99 for the Minnesota Wild. It's the first Brodin I've seen. This pack's thin too. It's like they put all the decoys in that pack. Got a triple jersey, Phil Esposito, Patrice Bergeron, and Tyler Seguin for the Boston Bruins. Okay, let's see what's happening here. Oh, they put a decoy in with the crystal card. And a shitload of base. Oh, Taylor Hall, Ice Scripts auto, the Edmonton Oilers. I guess that makes up for the Eberle a little bit. Okay, last mini. So far it's been Edmonton heavy. See if that continues with the third one. Got a Patrick Kane crystal for the Blackhawks. Corey Conacher, rookie auto at $6.99 for the Senators. Last pack. It's another rookie auto. And it is $3.99. Pretty good one. Michael Granlund at $3.99 for the Minnesota Wild. Okay, let's set up the randoms. for the triple jersey. That's between the Panthers, the Flyers, and the Bruins. Okay, once, twice, 3 times, and it goes to the Philadelphia Flyers. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.